Okay, I hope that you guys are ready for a summer of reviews because that is exactly what you are going to get. Today I am doing an unboxing and I'm literally opening up the box as I talk to you. I am doing an unboxing of All About Reading Level 4. You guys know that we have been using it for a while now. My daughter has completed the first 2 lessons, or the first 2 levels, and she has blown through both of those. So I'm pretty sure that while I already have level 3 prepped and ready to go, I am sure that she is going to blow through that one too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep level 4 and have it ready on my shelf, so that way when she finishes up level 3, we can go ahead and dive into level 4 and knock it out, and she can be a graduated reader from All About Reading as a whole. So the first thing in the box is this reading review box where I can hold all of the flashcards, which will be so much more convenient than what I'm currently doing, because I'm currently using one of those just like little index holder boxes, and it doesn't always cut it. So this is going to be so very handy to have. And then they're beautiful readers. You guys, I love these readers. I think it's now like one of those things that's going to be so nostalgic when my preschooler starts reading and he starts going through All About Reading. Just going through those stories with him like I've gone through with her. I love these stories. They are so wonderful, and they're beautiful and colorful, and they're not overwhelming, and I feel like they hit all the right areas with her in her reading journey. And like these stories really pick up from, if you're familiar with their level 1 and level 2. So I cannot wait to see the reader that she is by the end of next year. This has been hands down the best reading curriculum that we have used, and we have used 3. And I am so very happy that we made the switch to All About Reading. I have seen her grow so much and deepen her skills as a reader and get more confidence as she's reading. And this has just been the very best curriculum that we could have ever chosen for her. The next item in the box is the teacher manual. And you know what? I have gotten so lucky. These, you guys, like I have 5 kids in total. 4 of them are at home. And so if you guys, I mean, even as a parent of one child, you know that sometimes things, you know, like books like this, they take a beating. And I have been so very blessed in the fact that these books, despite how much use they have gotten, they have all held up very, very well. So I have been very impressed with the quality of the teacher books, because that is not always the case. Like with my kids' math books, those things are barely holding on at the end of the year. And so I hope that I'm not jinxing myself, so knock on wood. But I hope that these continue to just last for all the years to come. I know that some moms will take these to stores like Staples and things like that, or Office Max, and they'll have it spiral bound, but I have not had to do that yet. But I am keeping that little idea tucked in the back of my mind should any of these books ever fall apart. But so far, my teacher books for the first 2 levels are perfect condition. All right, the last item is the student book that I'm going to be prepping over the summer, and then the flashcards, and then the stickers. So let me open this for you guys real quick just to show you some of the activities. I will do you guys want to flip through, or do you want me to do a video showing all of my tips and tricks for putting it together? Because I have one of those videos, but that was like as I was prepping my very first level. Now that I'll be prepping the 4th, there are some things that I wish I would have considered or known about prior to prepping level 1 that I'm sure could help anybody. So I think you know, let me know down below. Would you rather me do a flip through of this or do a video going over this and how I prep it, and just kind of like a prep with me video so you can see how I do it? For whatever reason, I have really angered people that I tend to laminate these sheets. I don't know what makes you guys angry about that. It at the very least, it gives it a resale value instead of the sheets getting crumpled and being able to, you know, be unused or used again. But yeah, some people have gotten very angry with me and I'm like, why? It works. So let me know below, would you like a flip through of these books before I start prepping them, or would you like me to do a prep with me video? I love that they are just like, they're so consistent in the activities, and it's not consistent in a boring way. It's consistent in a I know what to expect and it's still fun kind of way. I'm so excited to go through this with her, you guys. She has absolutely loved this curriculum. So that is it. And then we're gonna get some tiles, and then our flashcards, and then our phonogram cards. Oh, I can't wait to use these, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me know what video you would like me to do down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you guys again later. Bye.